The Patriot DIY channel is about to hit 100,000 subscribers, and to celebrate, I'm giving away a table saw. You heard that right, guys. The Patriot DIY channel just hit 90,000 subscribers. That means we're just 10,000 away from the big 100. It's been a long road, guys. I started my YouTube journey quite a while ago, and it took me a while to end up on the DIY woodworking path that I'm on now. And I want to thank all of you guys for your support over the last few years, helping me reach this milestone. It's been a lot of fun. I love doing this, and I love helping you guys out with your projects. For those of you that are here with us for the first time, the Patriot DIY channel focuses mostly on DIY stuff, woodworking projects, tool reviews, and that kind of stuff. We got a lot of great content out there. I hope you guys will go down and check it out. But it's not just about the videos, guys. For every project that we build here on this channel, I also make digital build plans that you can download and follow step by step to build your own. So if you haven't checked out our Etsy page, that's where all of our woodworking plans are, and I'll have that linked in the description below as well. But for those of you that have been with us for a while, I do want to take this opportunity to let you know about a couple side projects that I've been working on. First off, I wrote and illustrated my own children's books. I got 3 books out. The characters in the books are based off of my kids. Those books are If I Were a Cowboy, If I Were a Pirate, and If I Were a Princess. These books have really bright, colorful illustrations. They're very easy to read, so they'd be great for bedtime stories or for new readers up to like 7, 8 years old. You guys have already done so much by supporting this channel, but I'd love it if you'd also go check out those books. I'll have those linked in the description below. And there is one other thing you can do to help me out before we jump into this giveaway. If you've been following the channel for a while, you've probably seen my son in some of my videos. He loves helping me out here in the shop and with different projects and stuff. And he just turned 8 years old, and he's decided to kind of follow in the footsteps. He wants to have his own YouTube channel, and it would help out a lot if you'd go and watch his videos, subscribe to his channel. The link to that will be on that contest page, so if you go and subscribe to his channel, that'll get you an entry into winning this table saw. So as a thank you to all of you that have supported me over the years, we are going to be giving away a brand new Skil 10-inch portable table saw. Now the one you see here is the one that I started my woodworking journey with. This is the saw that I used for the first 3 years, and in my opinion, it is one of the best job site size table saws you can get on the market. It retails for right around 300 bucks, and I have a brand new one that I'm going to give away to one of you lucky viewers. But first, I do need your help reaching that 100,000 subscriber milestone. So what you guys can do to enter to win this table saw is just to share the channel. Share the videos with your friends. If you're not subscribed yet, get down there, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. There will be a link down in the description to enter this contest. There'll be a few different things that you can do to get extra entries. You do have to be subscribed to the Patriot DIY channel to win, but you can also go and watch the review of this Skil table saw. That'll get you an entry. Sharing it with your friends will get you an entry. Going to check out our woodworking plans over on the Etsy page, that'll get you an entry. So make sure you check out that link down in the description so you can see all the different ways you can get entered to win this table saw. This giveaway is going to be running for just 2 months. I'm trying to time it so that right after we hit that 100,000 mark, we'll be sending this out to one of you guys. And don't worry, guys, I am not stopping at 100,000. We're going to keep going. We have a lot of great videos coming up here on the channel. A lot of big projects, some woodworking stuff, some DIY stuff, shop tours, and all of that great stuff that you guys love to watch here on the channel. We got a lot of that coming up, so stay tuned. There's plenty more content coming out of the Patriot DIY channel. So thank you guys for all of your support. I can't tell you how much it means to me. Now jump down there in the description, hit that giveaway link, and get entered today to win a brand new Skil 10-inch portable table saw. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you at 100K.